Samsung is gearing up to launch two new mid-range smartphones in India, with the first teaser confirming the arrival of the Galaxy A56 and Galaxy A56. The teaser hints at an imminent unveiling, giving fans a glimpse of what's to come. The 60-second video primarily showcases existing Galaxy A series devices, emphasizing key features such as impressive cameras, durability, sleek design, and popular functionalities. However, the final 10 seconds provide a brief look at the upcoming models, teasing new design elements. A major highlight from the teaser is Samsung's commitment to long-term software support, confirming that the Galaxy A36 and A56 will receive 6 years of OS and security updates. These devices will also debut with the latest Android 15-based One UI 7. Visually, the teaser only reveals the middle frame of the smartphones, leaving much to speculation. More promotional content is expected in the coming days. Notably, the key island feature, previously seen in recent non-flagship Galaxy models, is once again in focus. Unlike the Galaxy A55, where the camera rings were placed individually on the back panel, Samsung appears to be shifting towards a new design language. The upcoming models may feature a fold-style dedicated camera island housing the sensors, with an LED flash positioned next to it. The Galaxy A56 in particular might sport slightly thicker camera rings, as suggested by the teaser's emphasis on this aspect. However, it remains unclear if this design will resemble or compete with the Galaxy S25 flagship lineup. As February nears its end, the official launch of the new Galaxy A series is likely to take place in March. While the unveiling may happen soon, open sales could take a little longer to commence. These upcoming smartphones have already sparked significant buzz in the tech community, thanks to a series of leaks that showcase renders and uncovered online listings. In a recent and noteworthy development, renowned tipster Abhishek Yadav has shed light on the potential launch timeline for these devices. According to his insights, the Galaxy A56 and Galaxy A36 are expected to make their grand debut in mid-March 2025, both in India and in global markets. This news aligns perfectly with Samsung's previous patterns. For context, last year's Galaxy A55 and Galaxy A35 models were also introduced around the same time in March. It seems Samsung is strategically maintaining its timeline, likely aiming to captivate the mid-range market during this period. If these timelines hold true, Samsung fans and tech enthusiasts have a lot to look forward to in the coming weeks. As we inch closer to March, it wouldn't be surprising if Samsung begins to drop tantalizing teasers, slowly revealing the innovative features and cutting-edge upgrades packed into the A56 and A36. Adding to the excitement, the support pages for these two phones have already gone live on the Samsung France website, a clear indication of their global availability. This move signals that Samsung is gearing up for a worldwide rollout, ensuring that fans across the globe can experience these devices firsthand without delays. With mid-March 2025 potentially locked in as the launch window, Samsung's Galaxy A56 and A36 are shaping up to be game-changers in the mid-range smartphone category. From their anticipated sleek designs to the promise of new-age features, these phones are likely to set a new benchmark for quality, innovation, and affordability. As the days pass, keep an eye on Samsung's social media channels and official platforms for what will surely be a captivating campaign leading up to their release. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.